everybody, it's Jasmine, and it is raining so much that it's now flooding in parts of Christchurch and flooding all over the South Island, especially south of Christchurch. There's been a state of emergency. The army's come in, they're evacuating houses around Christchurch and you know, putting sandbags out and everything, and it's just so crazy. So I just want to show you guys what's going on.
So we've got the horses standing on the island and it's about to get spooked up by this friggin' tree coming. Look at the tree. Go horses, that's it, run away. Go, go, go Thunder, you're gonna have to go, you're gonna have to go, you little... They made it. The bloody camera wouldn't go, but they were across.
TV3 guy out for that reason, because he's going to be performing, you know,
Hey everybody, it's Jasmine, and oh my goodness, okay, yeah, so I'm going to check out the river that's a block behind our house, and oh my goodness, it's, wow, it's so high right now, holy cow. The river's usually like, oh, so far down, I just can't even believe it. So before I left the house, my brother was telling me that parts of Christchurch have been evacuated. So it's mostly the outlying areas, especially near the ocean, because they're worried about the higher tide and everything. So yeah, and I was going to say that I'm pretty sure we'll be fine, but if the river goes, and it's already going, so yeah, I don't know, I just gotta keep an eye on you know, the civil defence website and everything, and if we gotta go, we gotta go. Where those trees are, that's where the bank's supposed to be. It's just completely gone over.